What's good, YouTube? Welcome to today's video. Brian Noonan here. I want to do a new YouTube and Facebook Live next Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, the recording of this video. You may see it today or tomorrow. Wednesday, September 30th, I'm going to be doing another YouTube Live and Facebook Live, and I really hope you will come join me. I love providing as much value, information, and help and mentorship and guidance to as many of you out there as possible. I know everyone can't afford a course. I make these videos here on my YouTube channel to help impact and teach as many people as possible. I do it for one reason only, and that is to help people, not to try to sell you something like 99% of people online. So I wanted to announce next Wednesday, September 30th, 4 p.m. West Coast time, 7 p.m. Eastern. I hope that's not too early or too late for any of you, but I will put it on the YouTube channel so you can watch a replay of it. I'll post it to my YouTube channel, the live. I'm going to be doing a YouTube and Facebook Live. You're welcome to come join. It'll be free. Come get answers to all of your questions. I know a lot of people out there right now are struggling not only to help finding products or finding a quality supplier or how to get the supplier to come down on their price or MOQ, and then what to do about the 200 unit max shipping products into Amazon for new products. So I want to invite you guys to please come join me. I will also be sending out an email as a reminder for those of you who are on my email list. I'll send out an email reminder with a link of how to join up on the call, but it'll be live 4 p.m., 7 p.m. Eastern, 7 p.m. Eastern, 4 p.m. Pacific time, Wednesday, September 30th. You can join on Facebook or here on YouTube. I'm going to be answering all your guys' questions. I had such a good turnout, feedback, response from the last time I did one of these. I want to do these more often. Also, guys, I don't ask very often for us try to sell you something. I did want to just mention real quick, I do have a couple more spots for my Amazon FBA 60-day one-on-one mentorship program. I've got a couple more spots. I'll be accepting a few more students. If you guys want to enroll into that, get step-by-step coaching and help every step of the way from where you're at right now, helping you choose a product, to finding the right supplier, to how to deal with setting up your seller account and your new business, how to not make sure your address shows to all customers. My mentorship covers all of that, so I'd be happy to send you some more information. You're welcome to reach out to me on Facebook, send me a direct message, or I'll leave my email down below this video. Go ahead and send me an email. I'd be happy to send you some more information on that. Okay, that's all there. A couple more things. Please join my Facebook group. You know, Facebook groups are a great way to connect with other Amazon sellers who may be going through a similar stage as you, possibly in product research, or they just launched and they're trying to learn how to optimize their PPC campaigns and rank better. Facebook groups, 3 that I recommend: the Helium 10 members group, the Amazon FBA private label sellers group, and then the My Amazon FBA Gladiators Facebook group. I'm in those Facebook groups every single day, helping and teaching and coaching people. And so I'd love to see you become a part of one of those groups or all of them. It would mean a lot to me. And I love helping people, so I'll see you inside there. I'll also make an announcement about the when I'm going live. So if you forget about it or you don't mark it down on your calendar during this video, I'll also be sending out a reminder not only to the email list, but also inside my personal Facebook page and on my Facebook group, reminding you guys, hey, I'm going live on this day and this time. So, one last thing I want to show you guys here before we go. All right, guys, the last thing I wanted to show you was to just give you one example of how much I care and connect and develop a business and personal relationship with each of my students. You know, most of the people on YouTube teaching Amazon make those videos just so you buy their course. They accept hundreds, if not thousands, of people into their course program, their course or their program every single month. They have no idea who's in their course. You're never able to even get on one Zoom or one-on-one Skype call with the coach or mentor. And most of the time when you're messaging them to get mentorship, which it says unlimited mentorship, you're actually talking to like an overseas VA or assistant. And so this is just one example of how much I care and help my students and develop a relationship with them. If you see all these boxes behind me, all those boxes right there, and all of these boxes over here, my student was racking up storage fees in Amazon, and she didn't want to have to pay for a 3PL. So I actually offered to store all of these boxes for her in my garage so she wouldn't rack up extra storage fees. So this is just one example of how much I care about my students. So if you're interested in the mentorship program, I'd love to have you. You can check out, there's a link down below this video, or again, just email me. All right, guys, that's going to be all for today's video. I'll happily, and I hope to see you next Wednesday, September 30th, 4 p.m. West Coast time, 7 p.m. Eastern, for my live. Come join me. Come ask your questions. Come hang out. Can't wait to see you there. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.